Ooh, want $10,000 in 12 months? That's only $833 a month, $192 a week, or about $38 a workday. And you can get there without quitting your job. I'll show exactly how, step by step. Oh, hi, I'm Global Reality. In the next 6 to 8 minutes, I'll give you a clear plan, exact numbers, and simple daily actions so you can realistically hit $10,000 in a year, even with a full-time job. First, let's do the math so you see how simple it is. $10,000 divided by 12 months is $833.33 per month. $10,000 divided by 52 weeks is $192.31 per week. If you work only weekdays, about 260 workdays per year, it's $38.46 per workday. Small consistent actions add up on-screen text, calculations, step by step. $10,000 divided by 12 equals $833.33 per month. $10,000 divided by 52 equals $192.31 per week. $10,000 divided by 260 equals $38.46 per workday. Step 1. Choose 1 to 3 income streams. Pick one primary income stream and one side booster. Don't try to master 10 things. Pick what you can start now and scale. Here are real options. 1. Freelance services, writing, design, dev. Charge hourly or fixed projects. 2. Sell digital products, templates, courses, printables. Create once, sell forever. 3. Resell, flipping, used goods, retail arbitrage. Buy low, sell higher. 4. Gig economy / local services tutoring, deliveries, cleaning. Fast cash to build momentum. 5. Micro business combo, affiliate plus content. Build content that converts. Pick one primary that fits your skills / time and one booster that's fast to start. Step 2. Realistic example plans. Now concrete plans. How many hours or sales you'll need depending on what you choose. Example. A. Freelance hourly. If you charge $25 per hour, you need 400 hours per year. That's approximately 7.7 hours per week. $10,000 divided by 25 equals 400 hours. 52 is approximately 7.69. If you charge $50 per hour, you need 200 hours per year, approximately 3.85 hours per week. Example. B. Digital products. If you price a template at $20, you need 500 sales. 10,000 divided by 20 equals 500, or approximately 42 sales per month. Example C. Reselling. If average profit per item is $30, you need approximately 334 items. 10,000 divided by 30 is approximately 333.3, or approximately 28 items per month. Pick the math that suits your schedule. Freelance with higher rate equals fewer hours. Digital products equals more upfront work, less time later. Step 3. 60-day launch sprint. Sue. Do a 60-day sprint to get your first $1,000. Momentum is everything. Day by day, week by week micro plan. Week 1. Decide niche plus price the offer, plus create 3 portfolio pieces or 1 product. Week 2. Publish listings, Upwork, Fiverr, Etsy, Gumroad, and set 5 price test offers. Weeks 3 to 4. Pitch 3 to 5 clients per day, or run small paid ads for a product listing. Get first sale. Weeks 5 to 8. Collect testimonials, refine listing, double down on highest converting channel. Tip. Always aim for your first $100 to $300 fast. Proof of concept. Then scale the thing that worked. Step 4. Marketing and sales. Get visible. 1 optimized profile, 5 outreach messages a day, and 1 content post per week. Use templates for quick proposals and reuse copy daily, 5 pitches. Weekly, 1 post. Step 5. Scale and automate. Once you're getting regular sales, clients, systematize. Use templates, schedule posts, hire micro help, VA, for repetitive tasks, and raise prices. Quick tips. Raise price 10% after 3 wins. Outsource admin. Step 6. Protect your money. Keep 20% for taxes savings. Reinvest 10 to 30% back into ads, tools, or help. Track with a simple spreadsheet. Recap. Pick the income stream. Do the math. Run a 60-day sprint for your first wins, and then scale. $10,000 is just consistent small wins. If you want, I've made a free one-page planner to map your $833 per month. Hit like, subscribe, and drop in the comments which stream you'll try. I'll read them and pick 3 people to give feedback.